Nothing smells quite like roasted salmon with veggies. Simple, cozy, and full of warmth. It's the kind of dinner that almost makes itself but looks like something from a restaurant. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Grab your cutting board, a sharp knife, and let's get cooking. I peeled the potatoes, carrots, onion, and bell pepper. I love this moment. The sound of fresh vegetables under the knife always feels like the start of something good. I slice the potatoes and carrots into thin rounds. They don't have to be perfect. Homemade food is about flavor, not precision. The soft rhythm of chopping and the earthy smell of veggies always set the mood for cooking. I cut the bell pepper into strips and the onion into thicker pieces. If you love easy oven dishes like I do, give this recipe a try. It never disappoints. I season the veggies with salt, pepper, and my favorite herbs. Then I drizzle them with olive oil and sometimes a splash of soy sauce for extra depth of flavor. I preheat the oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. I spread the veggies on half of a baking tray and roast them for about 15 minutes. The kitchen slowly starts to fill with the aroma of roasted veggies, warm and inviting. I cut the salmon into smaller portions. In a small bowl, I mix parsley, olive oil, and spices. When I want a bolder taste, I add a bit of garlic too. This moment always makes me smile. Fresh herbs and garlic bring so much life to the dish. I brush the salmon with the herb mixture, making sure every piece is coated with flavor. Then I place the salmon on the tray next to the roasted veggies. If you're a fan of quick and delicious meals, this one will become a favorite. I place a slice of lemon on each piece of salmon. It adds freshness and brightness. bake everything for another 30 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring the veggies occasionally so they roast evenly. Meanwhile, I make a quick sauce by mixing sour cream or yogurt with dill and spices. A touch of garlic gives it a lovely kick. And that's it. Perfectly baked salmon, crispy veggies, and a creamy sauce. Simple, wholesome, and delicious. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoy cozy homemade meals, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.